Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing fine and doing well. So, today, the topic of my reading is what is the urgent message for you from your spirit guides? Let's see. First of all, let's select some groups for you. Okay, so the first group is this, right? The second group is this, right? And the third group is this. Okay, so you can take your time and meditate on these groups and see which groups attract you the most. I will like show them close to you. This is for group number one, right? um, this is for group number two, okay, and this is for group number three, right? These are like combinations of different colored um, things, right? Okay, so um, let's start with the reading. Okay, let's put these groups aside, group number three and group number two, and let's focus on group number one. So, you guys chose like it's a combination of light pink, orange, red, right? So, you guys chose this one. Okay, let's see what are the urgent messages for you from your spirit guides. We are using the Light Seers Tarot deck. Okay, let's take them out and let's start. Okay, what are the urgent messages from spirit to group number one? Okay. Okay. The first message is that please eat in moderation. Either you're eating very less or you're eating very more, like a lot. Um, there should be a balance, there should be a harmony, or whether you're working a lot or maybe you're not working at all, like please keep a balance, there should be a harmony. Okay, the first card for you is the High Priestess. Okay, the High Priestess is someone that, like in the traditional tarot cards, the High Priestess is someone who sits between the pathway of the spirit world and the physical world, right? She sits at the in between point. So the advice here is that like try to be on the middle road, take the middle road, don't go too far on either side. Like I think the ones who are watching this might get an idea about what I'm talking. Like everybody has a very different situation, like take it however it resonates. Okay, what else is coming for, like what urgent message is coming for group number one? And okay, the star card is here. The star card here is somewhat different. Usually star card can be used for, like, you're making a wish, but here, as you can see, you are actually holding on to that wish. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yeah, you're holding that wish like a kite, right? Okay, and like you're also being held down as well. Let's see what else is here for you. What urgent message is here for group number one? And the devil card, I was expecting this. Okay, as you can see, the devil card here is a man who is like calling you out, and like this person also has like this character also has some strings attached to a puppet or a person, right? Just like the strings over here. And let's take one last card and then I'll start talking. Okay, and then we have the Hangman, very clear and very expectable. Okay, expected. um Okay, the song of Linkin Park is coming to my mind. um um crawling in my skin. These words, they feel not real. Fear inside my heart. Something like that. Okay, you can check that out. Confusing what is real. I don't know what is the title of that song. Um, I don't know. Okay, but this song was coming, and I feel like, okay, the overall energy, okay, there is something in someone, maybe something for some people and someone for some people, that you really like, you really love, or there is something that you want to do, that you really appreciate and really adore, and you're actually trying to follow your dreams and trying to run after that dream, or trying to run after that wish. Like you have some wish that you want to be, that you want, like you want that wish to happen, right? But what I'm seeing is that, uh, try not to take different means to get towards that point, right? Suppose if you want to get a job, I'm just going to give an example, and you take the help of a bribe, you give some bribe and you get appointed there. Just giving an example. Or maybe you want a person and you start making spell jars to attract that person. You start making love potions, and instead of seeing that is that person meant for you, like if that person or if that thing is meant for you, they will come to you without any interventions of some sort. This is the basic thing that I'm seeing. Usually, pink and red are considered somewhat uh, pointing towards love. But what I'm seeing here is that, you know, deep down, you know what path to choose and what path not to choose. So please be careful and make the correct decision. Do not be deceived by some shortcut pathways. And if it is not a person and if it is not a thing, maybe you want to get, like, you want to lose some weight, like you can, like there is this thing that you want, okay, maybe you want a cut in your weight, and you're like thinking about, or maybe you are actually trying to drink some things that are going to, cause more harm than good. The urgent message here for group number 1 is that maybe you are thinking, or maybe you will think in the future, near future, to take a route towards your dream that might not be the best route, okay. There is this message here that what is meant for you will find you, okay, and you don't have to go through illegitimate or suspicious pathways, or like you wouldn't have to beg for those things to happen for you, right? This is what I'm seeing sometimes. Like, there's this thing that you also need to learn how to take a no. And I'm sorry if this thing is going to hurt you, but let's be very real here, okay? Like, you need to learn how to understand that sometimes some things that you really want, and sometimes the things that you desperately want, maybe they aren't meant for you, and they might do more harm towards you, right? Okay, let's see more cards here for group number 1. What is the urgent message here for you? Okay, believe in the impossible, right? Okay, what I am like deducing here from this is that sometimes we think, no, I have to take only this path, okay, I have only one mission in life and I have to do it, and I have to do it. Please believe that there are other ways to achieve that same goal. Or maybe you have an altogether a different and a completely different destiny. Maybe you are not sent into this world to achieve this certain goal that you have in mind. Maybe there is a much more wonderful goal for you, that is in store for you in this lifetime, right? So there are like, there isn't only one thing that you're thinking about. There can be other different pathways as well, and if you have certain xyz thing in your mind, it's not the end of the world if you don't get that. Maybe not getting it is more in your favor, right? A new start is coming, okay? You cannot make this up, okay? um, New moon, okay. I am seeing that your life, you're going to realize one thing, that I was like suppose you loved a guy, okay? Suppose you love a guy and you like beg in front of that guy, please accept me, please try to love me, and that guy isn't loving you. You go and do some spell work over that person, that he should love me, he should love me. But there is going to be a time that you're going to figure out, okay, this guy is not meant for me. Maybe this guy, like we are not compatible, or maybe I am not meant for him, and maybe he's not meant for me. Like I'm just giving an example, right? So there is this thing that you're going to understand, that the things that you thought were impossible, that I cannot live without him, or maybe I cannot live without this job or whatever, or I cannot live, like you are going to see that, sometimes you have to, like sometimes God or destiny or universe has something else in store for you, and it's not the end of the world if the uh, universe is saying no to you, right? This is what I'm seeing. Let's pull out some more cards for group number one. What is an urgent message for you from your spirit guides? Okay, for group number one, um, what is an urgent message for group number one from your spirit guides? Um, Okay, action. Now is the perfect time to act. Take inspired action towards your dreams. Move forward with confidence. And we have past lives. Release your past life karma. You are an old soul with deep wisdom. Healing your past lives will raise your vibration. Okay, so the message, the urgent message here is that sometimes we are attracted to something or someone because we have certain past life connections with them, or maybe we have a karmic debt, maybe we have some unfinished business with that person or with that thing or with that job, and like we have to finish that thing in this lifetime, right? Or maybe like it is a part of our destiny that we have to encounter some situation that is not meant for us, revolve around that situation, and then break free from that situation. So the thing here is that the urgent message here is that please look at yourself, what you are doing, and you will get the answer of what you should stop doing. Okay, this this whole reading about you is like, don't go into this thing, the thing that you're forcing on yourself. If something is like fought with force, if something is fought with begging and pushing yourself again and again, is it worth it? Is it something that comes naturally to you? Do you have to, like, beg like this for the rest of your life as well? So this is the message what I'm getting for you, group number one. Hope this reading like kind of helps you and gives you some form of clarity. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It really gives me that boost to make more content like this. Take care, guys. I hope you guys really loved it. Bye bye, everybody. Okay, so let's move on with group number two. Okay, you guys chose this combination, right? And right off the bat I am getting that maybe you are a very unique person. Let's see, okay, what urgent message is there for group number two? What urgent message here is for group number 2, from their spirit guides. Okay, uh, King of Wands. Hmm. You're really enthusiastic and passionate about something. Let's see what this means, right? Let's see what is here for you. Okay, there is also a lion at the back, which is very cute. Okay, what urgent message is there for group number 2 from their spirit guides? Okay, this fell. We have the 4 of cups here. Let's figure it out. Let's see what is in the cards for you, group number 2. Okay, what urgent message is there for group number 2 from their spirit guides? Okay, the page of cups. Okay, now it's becoming clear. Like, okay, I hope you can see it. Yeah. Okay, our urgent message here is for group number 2 from their spirit guides, and we have the Empress. Okay, this is very beautiful. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Let me get a clarify for 4 of cups, and then we'll begin. Temperance. Hmm. It's like you're thinking a lot. Like, okay, just you're just thinking a lot. Maybe you're like passionate about something and you want to do something. Maybe you have this goal in your head, but you're just thinking, okay, and you're not taking action. Like, you're thinking and you're thinking. You're like, okay, I can do it. I have these, like, I have this and that qualification for this goal, right? I have this and that talent and this and that skill for this goal, but and I have these preparations for this goal. Yes, I will do it. When will I do it? But I'll do it when I'll get the correct time. Like, just do it, man. Just do it. Okay. Like, you're just thinking, oh my god. Okay, the message here for you is sometimes it's very good to think and rethink a situation, to be very sure of yourself. But here the message is just please do it. Okay, like, you're wasting time, right? Please, like, do it. Okay. Bro, girl, man, dude, like, please do it. Okay. So, like, okay, this is very funny. Like, I can see that you're very talented, right? You are just like an overthinker, right? You take time in taking action, or maybe, like, you feel like you should take time and think about the benefits or the detriments of the just please do it. Okay, like, if you want to ask someone out, please just do it. Okay, please don't beat around the bush. Okay, just please do it. Okay, maybe even your friends are like, please do it for God's sake. Okay, what urgent message is here for group number 2 from their spirit guides? Let's see, we have delight. Okay, it says, count your blessings and enjoy life. Take pleasure in simple things, always expect the best. Okay, you need to learn manifestation, right? Manifestation is like, it's like saying a prayer, but saying it in terms of, like, your wishes have already come true. You can, see it on the internet, search it, how to manifest. There are a lot of videos on YouTube already present. Like, the message here is basically like, please chill, chill. There's a song from Lisa, I don't know the lyrics properly, where it's like chill. Okay, chill, bro, chill, girl. Please just, do what you want to do. Don't overthink about this situation and just do it. Okay, like, it's very easy for you. You can do it. It's going to be fine. Just manifest it, relax. Okay, just do it. And there is this. Okay, this came up. This was in the last group as well. Past lives, release your past life karma. You're an old soul with deep wisdom. Healing your past lives will raise your vibration. Okay, the thing is, here is that, okay, maybe uh, you had a previous goal and things didn't go according to your plan in the past, and now you overthink every situation that I have to, think about the drawbacks here, what if this happens, what if that happens. Um, and it's completely understandable, but the thing here is that you need to heal now, you need to let go of the past, and you need to understand that if somebody, like, okay, let me give you an example. First, I'll read out this card and then we'll continue. You have powerful healing gifts, have faith in your abilities, tuned your path as a healer. Okay, let me just like explain this thing with an example. Okay, suppose you liked a girl, right? And you dated with that girl and she cheated on you, right? And you guys had a very ugly fight and you felt so heartbroken, and then she left, right? Now you won't date another person. You're like, I am done and I will never fall in love, and blah blah blah, and love is not for me, etc. And now you were in love again. You want to ask another girl out and you like that other girl, and but you're like, no, you know that my previous relationship was very bad, and it drained me a lot. I cannot trust anyone. The thing here is that not every person is the same. Okay, please just dive into it. Like, even if, like, you did a job in the past and you got fired very bad, and like now you don't want to do a job, and you're like, no, I am not going to do a 9 to 5 and I'm going to start something else. But please do it, right? If you found another opportunity, just do it, right? Heal yourself. Like, it's very difficult to heal yourself, right? It's very difficult to get over the past, but everybody just shoves it out on your face that please get over the past, and it's not that, like, it's not possible, right? It's not that easy. You just can't get over it. But you know the first step is, like, understanding that I need that healing, and I need to work over myself, and I need to understand that not every person is the same, not every XYZ situation is the same, and I have to understand this, and I cannot be restricted all my life because of one or two experiences. Like, I don't want to minimize your situation, but I'm just saying what is in the cards right now. Okay, what is the urgent message for group number two from the spirit guides? Okay, hold your vision. Oh my God. Okay, I'm on live here shuffling, right? I'm not making this up. Okay, and now just one more card I'm gonna explain, right? Um, conclusions are within reach. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, sometimes I get surprised by these cards as well. Okay, the thing here is that there is this opportunity right in front of you. Please hold it, right? There is this opportunity, there is this person, or there is this thing, there is this situation that you want to do. Please, for God's sake, just, like, this is the urgent message from your spirit guides are like begging you, please, like, you know even if you're scared, just please put a foot here there. Just put a foot into it, and uh, everything will work out for you, right? Conclusions are within reach. Things will be very good for you. This is what is coming for you, group number two. And it's like, your spirit guides are trying to push you, like, do it. Like, sometimes like a best friend, like, who's pushing their other friend, like, do it, come on, do it. It's just like this sort of an energy, and it's really funny for you, group number two. Like, I laughed. I know it might be very serious for you guys, but I laughed my part. Okay, guys, if you liked my reading, if you took benefit from it, if it gave you some sort of a closure or some sort of a relief, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me create more content like this. It gives me this encouragement to do more. Thank you very much. Take care, guys. Love you all. Bye bye. So let's move on to group number three. Okay, group number three, you guys chose this, and from this, I am getting like you are some kind of poetic person, or somebody who likes to sometimes cry somewhat, but I'm just getting that um, poet, musician kind of a vibe from you. You might not be, but, like, the nature is like that. Some artist energy. Okay. Oh my God, my foot was there. Really sorry. Actually, I'm on my bed filming. Okay. So, group number three. Oh, okay. These cards are like, okay. Group number three. What is the urgent message or urgent messages from your spirit guides? What are the urgent messages from the spirit guides of group number three for them? Let's see. Okay, we have five of swords. Five of swords is kind of like a weeping card, and I just mentioned here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, and we have the King of Cups. Okay, maybe you're crying on a loved one, or maybe you're just crying at the loss of a loved one. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Maybe like you broke up with someone, or maybe I'm very sorry. Maybe you lost a pet or something. Let's see more. Or maybe you are actually remembering the loss of someone. Okay, or maybe the loss of someone is in your head recently, or most of the times Knight of Pentacles. Maybe you lost an ex, a relationship. Knight of Pentacles is here, and oh my God, the Ten of Wands. This is a very heavy reading, guys. um we have the Four of Cups here as well. Okay, let me just start. Okay, group number three. I'm very sorry if you guys like suffered a loss of some sort. Maybe you lost a loved one, or maybe you moved to a different place and you're missing your family, or you're missing your loved ones, or something like that has happened. And I'm seeing that there is a lot of burden on you. Okay, you really need to, like, breathe deeply. Okay, and loosen up. It's very heavy. I'm feeling this very heavy energy around you guys. Okay, uh, are the urgent messages for group number three from the spirit guides? Intention. Be clear and be clear and decisive. Focus on what you really want. Be bold with your request to the universe. Okay, and we have past lives. This has come up in all of the readings. Release your past life karma. You're an old soul with deep wisdom. Healing your past life will raise your vibration. Okay, let me just get a minute. Okay, um okay, what is group number three's urgent message from their spirit guides? Oh my God, you guys. Okay, I have this. Okay, like, prosperity lies ahead, and the energy is gaining momentum. Okay, I'm actually scared for you guys. Okay, just please listen to me. If any of you has certain thoughts, right, some weird thoughts, please consult someone. If you want to even comment here, you can discuss here in the comments with me. Like, I'm very sorry if you are feeling down, or something very wrong has happened. Maybe you faced a betrayal, maybe you feel threatened or something. Like, I'm feeling a very dark thing. Okay, just please listen to me. uh Please hold your hand, put some salt in your hand, right? And put that salt in a piece of cloth and under your bed. That is very important, and it will help you. Another thing that I want to say is that please pray a lot. Like, if you don't believe in prayers, it's fine. Like, you can meditate, you can, try to find good support, right? This is what I can say. Let's move on to your reading. What is the urgent message? The urgent message here is that please clean your house, right? Please make please take care of yourself, right? Please don't be alone. Please be with someone. And oh my God, okay, the message here for you guys is that things are not going to remain the same. Please pray. Please actively pray for your betterment, for the thing that you have lost. Please understand that things will get better in the future, right? And seek urgent help. Even if you feel like, oh my god, this tarot reader is just making things up, and just please look into yourself. You need to, take that anger or that sadness out. It's kind of destroying your energy. This is the urgent message for you, group number 3. um do meditate, do pray in whatever form you like or you believe in. Just please take care of yourself, okay? um, you need to relax and you need to change your environment. You need to take some break, okay? This is what I'm seeing. You need to um, understand that sometimes loss is important. Although that's, like, it sounds very ignorant when I'm saying it, but I think you should go towards proper counseling and therapy. uh, this is what I'm seeing for group number 3. Please take care of yourself, group number 3. And I hope you took some advantage from my reading and some benefit from it. Please do take care of yourself and love yourself. Okay, goodbye, group number 3. Love you guys. Do like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.